Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload WordPress website theme in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. So first of all, open your cPanel and then open File Manager. Then go to Public HTML, WP Content, and open Themes folder. And inside of this themes folder you have to upload your WordPress website theme. So click on upload, select file. So here is the WordPress theme. I'm uploading this one. So when uploaded, click on, and here we can see the WordPress theme has been uploaded. Now select this and right click, extract. So here you can see the theme has been uploaded into my cPanel. Now let's check it from WordPress dashboard. So here's my WordPress dashboard. I'm refreshing this and I'm clicking on appearance, themes, and here you can see the theme has been uploaded from my cPanel. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.